So your search is all over and this is what you need. Hey guys, this is Ritika, and if you're wondering what I'm doing in my same dress, I'm just trying to shoot 2 or 3 videos in a day because I really want to shoot 2 or 3 videos because I'm never able to do that. So that's why the same dress. And about this kit, look at this. This is a Real Technique 6 brushes kit, and I don't know why people are not talking about this. This is all what you need. 6 Real Techniques brushes in just one kit, and this is for rupees 2400 on Nykaa, and on Myntra you can get it for 16, 17 or 1800, depends on how much discount is going on. So the actual MRP is 3000 rupees, and it has these 6 beautiful brushes. So these are the Real Techniques brushes by Sam and Nick Chapman. These are called Sam's Pick, and these are pixel perfect even in harsh light, and these have ultra plush bristles. So these 6 brushes come in a kit like this, and when you open it, you're going to be getting something like this. And to remove the brushes, what you need to do is just go beneath this and just do this motion. I don't know what to say. All of your brushes are gonna come out. Just do this, just push them forward and they're gonna come out. So I'm gonna give you a little introduction first. All of the brushes and their uses are written over here. There is no need to get confused. So firstly, I'm gonna be telling you about this brush. So this is the multitask brush, and with this you can do 3 things. Firstly, you can apply your powder with it, and second, you can apply your bronzer, and also you can apply your brush beautifully. So this is a multitask brush. And then there is this important brush. This is the buffing brush to buff up your foundation all over in. And also the brushes are so thick and so dense. This is so amazing, guys. Also, I think the individual Real Techniques brush cost you around 1000 rupees. I don't know if they are of that same density, but still these are amazing to buff up your foundation. This is so amazing. And this is the pointed foundation brush to apply your foundation all over your face. And then there is the settling brush to apply your concealer and also to settle your concealer by powdering it. So this is the settling brush. Then this is the essential crease brush, and this is to apply eyeshadow over your eyes, so it is also covering the eye part. And then there's this fine liner brush. With this you can either apply your eyeliner or you can also line up your lips. So it is covering all of the essential brushes that are required to do our makeup, and I think this kit is amazing and everybody needs to buy this kit. So now I'm going to be demonstrating on how to use these brushes. So I'm going to be using these 2 brushes first. So this is the pointed foundation brush to apply foundation all over my face, and then this is the buffing brush to buff the foundation all over and apply it evenly all over my face. So I'm taking some foundation on this brush. And now with the help of this buffing brush, I'm going to buff all of the foundation in. So let me just zoom in and show you guys that this has buffed the foundation in so evenly and so nicely. There are no sticky or patchy lines, and the work done by this is amazing. This is my go-to buffing brush, and I use it all the time because it is just able to buff up the foundation really nicely. So this was the use about these 2 brushes. Now come to the 3rd brush, and that is the multitasking brush. So I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm going to be buffing it all over it. This is the settling brush, and with this I'm going to be applying my concealer, and also with the same brush I'm going to be settling up my concealer with the powder. And now as you can see that this is able to spread up the concealer really very nicely, and now I'm going to be taking up the powder to settle my concealer. And also it is not mandatory to use the brushes as what is written on the packaging, like this is for that. No, it is not mandatory to use it like that. You can make your own use out of the brushes. So I'm using this both for applying my concealer and also settling my concealer with it. And as you can see that this is doing the job very nicely. Now I'm using the same brush to apply my blush and also to apply my bronzer. So I'm going to be using this side to apply my brush and the other side to apply the bronzer. Now I'm taking the opposite side to apply my blush. Now this is the fifth brush, the Essential Crease brush, and with this I'm going to be picking up a brown shade and going to be applying it all over my eyelids. And now I'm going to be taking this golden color with the help of my finger and just going to dot it to complete my eye look. And now I'm just blending it again. So this is my complete simple eye look. Now I'm going to be using the sixth and the last brush to apply or to line up my lips. So this is my complete makeup look by using these 6 brushes, and this kit is just amazing, guys. If you are not planning to spend huge amount of money on makeup brushes individually or on buying these makeup brushes individually because they are gonna cost you a lot, then you can always buy this kit from Sam's Pick collection, and I think this is the best kit, and this is the outlook, this is the final result. I'm really impressed with this kit, and I really wanted to share this kit with you guys so you guys can get your hands on it. So this was my review about it, and I hope this is helpful, and if it was, then you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below about if you find this helpful or not, and also subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell icon. Please turn on that so you won't miss any of my future videos, and also visit all of my social media. It is all listed down in the description box below. Also, I'm going to be writing down the link from where to buy these in the description box below, so you can check that out as well. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.